Welcome to Microscope Adventures, Plant Explorers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a special powder that helps flowers make new seeds, lily pollen. Flowers come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, but they all share one important job: making seeds. And that's where pollen comes in. It's like tiny dust made by flowers to help them reproduce. We have a special slide with lily pollen on it. Remember, pollen is so tiny you can't even see it with your naked eye. That's why we need a powerful microscope. Wow! Look at those cool shapes. Lily pollen grains look kind of like bumpy balls. Can you see the different patterns on their surface? These patterns help pollen stick to insects, like bees and butterflies. When a bee visits a lily flower, some pollen sticks to its fuzzy body. Then, the bee flies to another lily flower, and some of that pollen rubs off, helping the flowers make seeds. By using our microscope, we were able to see the amazing close-up of lily pollen. These tiny, bumpy grains play a big role in helping flowers reproduce and create new plants. What other parts of flowers do you wonder about? Leave a comment below, and let's explore them together in our next microscope adventure.